What's up, everybody? This is Danny Monchichi Ramirez, and I'm here with Oscar. What's up, Oscar? Say hi. That's Chewy right there, Robert. We're here at our new location, Bullseye Smog and Repair. And we have this guy trying to do the window, the mirror window. Oscar working hard, holding the ladder, making sure that the ladder does not fall. Here's fucking Bam Bam. Bam Bam, hey, he camouflages with the floor, bro. This will be one of the offices that we're doing here. Hopefully we'll be opening up in a month, maybe April. We're lucky, but this is just what we got to show you right now. The office. Got the bathroom in there. Come on, look at that right now. Got 3 doorways. That's my dad, Javier Ramirez. Say hi, Javier.
Your father.
Your father. So we'll hope to see you here. Bring your business here. We'll hook it up. All right. Late.